kind of aloe. That's why there are more than 300 kinds. But that one we grow here in Lanzarote is the Aloe Vera barbadensis Mille. Barbadensis Mille. And she's the queen between the aloe vera plants for two reasons. First, because we can use it for any skin problem. And second, because there are only female plants. They doesn't need any male. They do all alone. Girls power. Okay, we can also call these plants first aid plants. That's why it has a properties really similar to penicillin and antibiotic. So means that is a sedative plant, is analgesic, is anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. And we can use it for any skin problem. For example, for sunburns is excellent. Also for kitchen burns, or if you cut yourself, that's also really good. Or for problems such as psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, any skin problem. And do you know that's also possible eat the aloe vera?
No.
Yes, we can eat the aloe, and that is really, really good and healthy for stomach problem, stomach disorder, like ulcer, gastroenteritis. Also, if we eat a lot and we get indigestion, aloe vera can help us. And if we eat the aloe, that's also excellent antiseptic for the mouth in case of gingivitis. So if you have any inflammation after, that is excellent. Okay, so let's go to see what we can do with a good leaf of aloe. Everybody can see this yellow juice? Can you smell, sir? Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, good. Very good, yeah.
Oh. Yes,
Yeah.
not so good. It's not Chanel number 5. It's really pink. It's really strong smell. And
Es un sitio musical. Es un sitio musical.
Чем пахнет?
this is the blood of the plant, and it's called aloina. It's a kind of prevention against mosquito that wants to eat the jelly inside. That's why the smell is so strong. And it's enough you try just 1 teaspoon of aloina juice, and after a couple of hours you will run to the toilet and you will stay there 10-15 hours. Really, really strong. Okay, so we need to cut the leaves. 4-hand cut, one like this. Voila. One on the top as well, and 2 on the side. Great. Okay, now we start to see the gel. That's what we are interested in, the pure aloe vera gel. The other side as well. Great. Okay, now everybody can see the gel. Cheese. Okay. You can touch if you want. Soft. Here, up here.
Yes.
So, yeah. No, now it's not strong. Aloina is go away. Okay. So now we need to take off the skin like was fillet of fish. Same. Okay, almost done. One. And the last. Okay, great.
Ничего себе. Маневры создает.
Here, great. Okay. And half here. Good. So now we get our fillet of aloe vera gel, the pure one. This one is 100% organic. Cheese again. And there is nothing purest of this stuff. And that is what I do every morning and every night. Put aloe on my skin, especially around my mouth and my eye contour. Because I'm sure that Han doesn't told you that I'm almost 69. Thank you very much. This is my secret. And also what I do every morning before breakfast, eat the aloe. That is really, really good and healthy for stomach problem, stomach disorders. Excellent antiseptic for the mouth, and also is really good to prevent seasonal problems. So bronchitis, cold, asthma. Okay, now I'm sure that you want to try the aloe vera. You can rub on your skin, that is really good for skin problem, or you can try to eat if you want to taste it. Okay, here we go. Voilà.
Будем сейчас алоэ есть, друзья. Вот так вот.
Okay.
Хоть чем-то надо питаться. Да, можно потереться и поесть.
Voilà.
Ну как?
Не очень приятно.
Вкус.
Жирная какая-то.
You can take another.
Как будто точно рыбу
Your
ест.
skin.
Сырой.
That is also excellent anti-mosquito.
Как сырая рыба, да.
The aloe vera is excellent
Такая абсолютно
anti-mosquito.
противная.
Филе.
Cover the human
Будет
smell.
очень-очень полезно.
Or if you have bites, that's also excellent to
Так,
stop
пойду я
the
его.
scratch.
Еще и на сушняк пробивает. Такая очень, по крайней мере, на ощупь не очень приятная вещь. Thank you. What's this?
Okay, so who did the aloe vera?
I did.
Ah, what you think? How was the taste?
Strange taste.
Strange, unusual, yes. It's a little bit bitter. That's why you can also make a better flavor, put pieces like this in a salad, or you can prepare also delicious fruit smoothies with the aloe. That is really healthy. Okay, now we are going to invite you in something sweeter. For example, homemade liqueur. We made an excellent liqueur from the flower, and also cake made with the gel, the beauty cake.
Так, что у нас там? Ликер из чего?
Ликер из алоэ,
Ликер из
цветов
алоэ?
и пирог из геля. Вот из этого.
Да ты что, серьезно?
Пирог.
Вот этот пирог из этого геля?
Да.
С ума сойти.
Попробуй пирог.
Да, такой пирог надо поесть. Gracias. Merci beaucoup.
Good cake.
Так, друзья, насчет пирога, кстати, очень даже вкусный. А вот насчет вот этой штуки сейчас попробуем. О, ликер вообще такой, нормально. Тоже неплохой. Вот это было получше, чем то, что вот это вот на руки мазать или на лицо. Очень интересные вещи здесь происходят.
How was liquor and cake? Good?
Good.
Better than the gel.
Ликер good, да. И пирог тоже good.
Okay, now I will explain you two things more about our products. When we clean the leaves and we get the pure aloe vera fillet, we put it in the press machine and we get the pure aloe vera juice. This one has 99% aloe vera mixed with 1% of lemon juice to conserve it. No chemical preservative inside. And that is excellent drink 2 spoons before breakfast. For stomach problems, stomach disorder, is excellent antiseptic for the mouth and to prevent bronchitis, cold, asthma. Would you like to try the pure juice? So, okay.
99%?
You're welcome.
Так, 99% сок алоэ веры. Алоэ веры. Сейчас попробуем. Ой, нет, вот эта штука какая-то больничная, какая-то медицинская. Непонятная, в общем, противная. Хотя не очень противная, как лекарство какое-то. Лекарство, да? Медицин. Фармаци.
One for me as well. Okay, salud.
Салют.
Постоянно пьют.
Спаивают, да. Алоэ спаивают. Они уже сами как алоэ стали.
Cold drinks to make a better flavor. Spoon of honey, fruit juice. We have also the pure juice in a spray, easy to vapor in the mouth. In case of gingivitis or if you have any inflammation or just to use like anti-mosquito is excellent. Then we have the pure gel. This one has the same composition of juice, 99% aloe vera mixed with 1% of lemon juice, but is a little bit more sticky, so application on skin in case of skin's problem is much more better. And we use the pure gel for skin problem, for sunburn, for eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, any skin problem. Really important about the pure products, when you read puro, pure juice and the pure gel, when you open you must to keep them in the fridge. And you can use for 8 months, 1 year, but in the fridge. Okay. All the other products are cosmetic products, and I would like to recommend you the moisturizing gel. This one has 80% aloe vera mixed with vegetal glycerin. And that is excellent, like after sun, after shower, after shave, or depilation.
После всего.
После
No
всего, да?
alcohol, no oil, no fat. Or if you prefer
Да,
to moisturize your body, we have also very good body mist. This one has 60% aloe vera mixed with jojoba oil. Then we have over there special cream for face and body, 100% organic, so means without parabens, without
Так, держи-ка эту штуку.
and silicone. My colleague Babsi, she's giving to try the organic cream for dry skin. That is excellent for face and body, as 30% aloe mixed with the shea butter.
Очень крутая вещь.
And this is really, really
Не знаю для чего, это от москитов,
now
от медведей.
you can try all you want, you can repeat with liquor and cake, and I hope you enjoy this experience. Thank you very much to everybody.
А это для чего? Thank you. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Это крем натуральный.
Пойдем. В общем, друзья, вот такие вот здесь продукты. Сейчас, может быть, визитку они дадут. Может, есть визитная карта? Sorry, do you have visit card? Visit card?
Yeah. You have also the explication about all the products.
Так, веб-сайт тут есть у них. Вдруг кому-то интересно все, что они здесь сейчас разложили. Что-то я не вижу здесь веб-сайт. А, вот есть. Друзья, в общем, на всякий случай, вдруг Ланзалое. То есть это остров Лансарот называется у нас. И вот это алоэ с острова Лансарот. Lanzaloe.com. Такие вот дела. Вот, и как видите, здесь вся вот эта вот алоэ, все это здесь растет. Натуральный, как говорится, продукт. Пахнет очень вкусно, на вкус тоже так неплохо. Особенно ликерчик был хороший. Вот такие вот здесь вещи происходят. Смотрите Анзор ТВ, двигаемся в Голливуд, солнечную Калифорнию.